Productivity Plus is a financing option through Case IH and through, well, CNH really. It's their in-house financial arm. We use it for parts and service sales at the dealership level.
So when CNH Capital decided to bring it back in-house, it has made things a lot more fluid, easier for customers and dealers alike to work with that product. And we're excited as an organization that it's back in-house with Productivity Plus, because we work with CNH Capital on a regular basis.
In the stores, we're going to have QR codes available. You scan that with your phone, it takes you right to the application. You can access that online also. We can provide that link. And then there is an option for old school paper copy if needed.
Customer benefits to Productivity Plus, it allows them to have additional finance options. So there are 90-day programs, 180-day programs. There's programs that automatically just happen that are that CNH promotes. It allows customers to have additional cash flow based upon whatever program may be going on at that time.
We upped our, as you know, costs have risen in the last 3 years. So at one time, I think our limit, I called, they were really nice and were able to up us up another 10,000 so I could cover, because at that point we were getting a lot of parts for the combine.
So how can Productivity Plus benefit a customer's productivity? Really, it's about credit availability. It's about cash flow. So productivity gives you the opportunity or the advantage of choosing when you want to pay, and that directly impacts cash flows in and out of your business.
It also spreads out my payments. So if I do the work have the work done in June, I get the bill June 30th. My bill's due July 30th. So it actually allows me, if I need to spread out my payments if things are tighter, what have you. So it's a huge advantage to the operation.
So the benefit to Bane-Welker is it's really our preferred payment method for customers. It simplifies things for us, it simplifies things for customers. It makes it really easy at the counter just to do business with us versus say an external credit card or even having to handle cash or check. It's just extremely simple for everyone involved.
For customers today in the commercial market, it allows them to be proactive. And a lot of times when they're coming in to get parts, it may be numerous people from the farm or the municipality that's coming in. And so having Productivity Plus on file, it makes it seamless transaction for anyone that you send in to get parts. Doesn't slow anything down. You get a transactional report when you get your monthly statement. It has the ticket numbers on it. It just makes it very seamless for both the customer and Bane-Welker and doing business and partnering together.
They know me so well, I usually, a lot of times I'll just sign the ticket and then they'll eventually put it on the bill. I mean, you know, I get charged for it. I don't want it to sound like, but you know, especially during harvest time, you know, you go in there and you need a part right now and you want to get back to the field and get started. They'll say, you know, here, sign the ticket.
Through our BIS business system, we can set you up with your email to automatically get your invoices that are print and closed on a regular basis. And then you would have them in your inbox. And then with Productivity Plus, when you get your monthly statement, on each of those statements, you will have each of those ticket numbers. And what has been really neat working with some of the customers is that they can take those print and close documents from our business system that's in their inbox and reconcile with that monthly statement of Productivity Plus. Then they can put it in a file, it's reconciled. They have the ticket numbers, they have the information for tax purposes at the end of the year. And if there's any questions that come up or arise, they have that information to communicate either with Productivity Plus or Bane-Welker to look at that issue and get it resolved in a timely manner.
The Productivity Plus that we've signed up for, I was able to link it to my farm account at Bane-Welker. So it takes the hassle away for me of, every week we go in there and we buy a nut, we buy a bolt, we buy a washer. We may have equipment repairs of thousands of dollars, but I don't get all these little invoices and I got to sit down and put them all together and write a check. The invoices get sent to me, shows paid, they run them through my account, and they're all paid for. Then at the end of the month, I get one bill from Productivity Plus, and then I just have to pay that one bill.